Hi everybody, welcome to my new series about Creative Fabrica, and today we are going to make a wedding invitation design like that, and you will get a free designed background for this design, so you can add your own text, and that will be available from my shop in Creative Fabrica, and you can download it for free after getting any subscription you like, and you can start making your own invitation. So I made this wedding invitation in Creative Fabrica. So the special thing about this invitation is that these clip arts are uniquely created for me. You can see watercolor splashes, and these flowers are I made them in by using AI art generator, which is unique to me. So now I'll start showing you how I made this, and you can make your own, and you can always download this blank background from Creative Fabrica, so you can get started, at least have some idea. So here how I made this wedding invitation, I'll show you. So I went to Creative Fabrica and I hit create. From here you can X out, and I went on this option, and here you can see create new design, add new design. I use inches, and so the wedding invitations are mostly 5 into 7 inches, and for the print quality I will choose 300 dpi, so the print is good. Or I can always go here print and bingo card, which is 5 into 7, and create new design. Now it will start a new design for me. Now as you can see on the blank canvas like that, I have put my own clip art of hibiscus flowers, because this is tropical inspired, and watercolor splashes, and I have made them by using Spark AI, which is AI generator in Creative Fabrica. So here I have used some prompts before. So this is a kind of a prompt which you have to write. So I will show you. I will copy this from my Word. So prompt is something which you write, and then the AI creates the same art for you. And you can select here PNG generator. PNG generator means that this clip art has no background, so you can see it can be used easily. So here I have written a prompt, a command for this Spark AI generator, which is beautiful watercolor illustration of hibiscus flowers with some leaves. So let's create this image. So this is in real time. You can see how long it will take for Spark AI to create a unique image for you, which you can use in your own wedding invitation. This clip art is going to be unique, and whatever you want, it can create for you. Beautiful. So you can see these flowers are AI generated. So if you click once, it will bring it to the canvas, and you can see the detail. I can show you like how beautiful watercolor illustration it is. And so here you go, you will start working. And now I'll click it again maybe and rotate it a little bit, so I can bring it to this corner, make it a little bit bigger. And you can see I also have watercolor splashes here. So now I will show you. I created these splashes before, and the prompt was almost transparent watercolor splashes in light colors. So I can reuse this prompt, regenerate images with this prompt, because I want same kind of watercolor splashes. So this is creating watercolor splashes for me. So I am showing you this because these days it is so easy to make your own designs, and at home you can make your invitations, any invitation. This is for the wedding, which is I made this one before. So my watercolor splashes are ready. I can just use them, click, it will bring it here, put a splash here, put a splash here, and these are very unique, and some here, and maybe put one more here and some here. So you can see almost it is ready. And now my flowers, if you can see that my flowers are behind watercolor splashes, so there's a layer panel here. So if you click anything, it will select whatever it is on the canvas. Very easy. So to bring flowers on the top, I'll just drag this layer on the top and bring this one on the top. I'll just drag this artwork on the top. Now how I added this text, it's very easy. I'll just click text, and I have copied ready here for the invitation. I will just use subheading maybe, or it's too, or if you think it's too big, you can just reduce the size. 70 is big also, maybe do 60 like this, and I will put this here. I think it's too big as well, so maybe 40 or 50. Oh, 150, 50. And you can see here I have a name of the bride and groom in script font, so we will use a beautiful script font for this purpose. So I will go again to text heading, and this has big font, big size font, and I can choose some nice script. So I have choose this font, which is available easily. You can also use these fonts, and it is 180 in size. Now I will add to, so I will speed the video from here, so you can see how I'm adding the fonts. Make it work. Okay, now alignment on these designs is very important. So I will choose all the fonts, all the text, and here you can see center, align, align center. And if you drag this, it will show you center lines by which you can place it easily in the center, and your card is finally done. So this is how I made this invitation, and you can get this blank invitation like this, like the background, for free from Creative Fabrica, and you can add your own text. But this is how I made it on Creative Fabrica Studio, and you can see how quick and easy that was. So this is my original design which I made, and then today I have created this in front of you, which is in fact beautiful, and you can see the detail of watercolor. It is amazing. So let me know, what do you think? And you can always subscribe to Creative Fabrica to get these amazing assets and amazing opportunity of making your own artwork, invitations, Facebook or Instagram post, and it will help you design quickly. And if you do not have artistic ability like drawing or painting, this will create artwork for you which you can use easily and show it with pride to everyone. So thank you very much. Take care. See you in the next video.